Hey everybody, are you ready to see what's in the latest Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead? This is such an amazing subscription, and you won't find beads like this anywhere else. Let's jump in. Hey friends, this month's Curiosities subscription bead box is a Hawaiian theme, and it's just in time because I'm about to head to Hawaii for my yearly Shake Off the Winter trip. It has all the colors of the sea, along with the flora and fauna found on the islands. This huge box of beads caught my eye right away. It has glass turtles and AB glass fish, along with transparent pony beads, pearl beads, plastic fishtails, and pearl cabochons. In this turquoise organza bag, we have glass fire polished beads in different sizes and colors, including green, AB blues, bronzes, topaz, black, and orange. Here we have 2 strands of 9x6mm oval AB aqua glass beads. These 2 tubes have a mix of plastic round beads from China. I love all the colors, and especially the clear beads with the minty green centers. These colors just make me really happy. Here we have glass pressed hearts, 12x14mm copper glass flowers, check candy ovals, and caramel glass crystals. I love these happy little sun charms, stars, and end caps, and some clip-on earring findings so you can make your own beaded clip-ons. This yellow organza bag has check glass ovals, dark blue AB coated squares, glass flowers, and ovals that look like polished seashells. I've mentioned this before, John Bead is extremely generous, and they've included an entire hank of their Celine beads in my favorite color. John Bead makes these beads in every color and finish you can imagine. If one of your home decor projects needs a little sparkle, stitch on some of this garniture acrylic trim. This would look great on the rim of a lampshade too. Okay, this bag is heavy. It has the cutest tutti frutti glass fruit, glass flower cane beads, and 10mm chartreuse crystal rondelles. It's always fun when John Bead includes jewelry pieces. You can take them apart and use the components, wear them yourself, or give them as a gift. Mother's Day is just around the corner, just saying. If you want to work with leather cord, now is your chance. This bag also has cloisonné 20mm donuts, cute little blue flowers, and speckled flat round beads. And finally, we have the collector sticker and button with this month's theme. Look at all these wonderful beads. I'd love to know which ones are your favorites and what you'd be inspired to make with this Hawaiian-inspired collection. Make sure to check out the Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead every month. It's a wonderful surprise to see what's inside. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.